Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, the problem statement for our jigs and fixtures design is increasing demanding market, face competition in market, and to meet challenges of today market, to reduce time market. The aim of this project is to use to facilitate production of machining, assembling, and inspection operation when workpieces are to be produced on a mass scale. Jigs and fixtures provide a means of manufacturing interchangeable part since they establish a relation with predetermined tolerance between the work and the cutting tool. Specifically, the objectives are to reduce the cost of production as their use eliminates to the laying out of work and setting up of tool, to increase the production, to ensure high accuracy of the parts, to provide interchangeability. Okay, for the scope project, first to produce an economic type of jigs, second to create appropriate jig for given product or workpiece, and lastly to learn how to design a jig. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Arif Lukman bin Abdul Razak. I will explain locating and support method. Alright, first of all, as we know, all workpiece must have clamp. Clamp is for to support the workpiece for moving. Jigs that we create is must accurate. Example, for the workpiece, easily to insert at the jig, and also easily to taken out from the jig. Alright. Second, the position of workpiece should be accurate with respect to tool guiding in the jig or setting element in features. Okay, and then moreover, locating and clamping are the critical function of any work holder. So, the fundamental of principle locating and clamping we must understood, and we must know the operation of locating and clamping.
Hi, my name is Omar Akib Zulkifli. Today I would like to present about the final drawing for this box jig. This is the jig assembly drawing for box jig. After all parts have been assembled, we managed to get a box jig with top removed. On top of it, we place two bush with diameter of 12 mm so that we can drill through it. And this is the isometric drawing for our assembly process for our jig. And here is we mentioned here about the parts, quantity needed, and the drawing for the every parts of the component contained in the drawing. Such as here is pin locator, we need for quantity. Bush, we need quantity of 2, and followed by the jig leg, we have 4 component, same component, followed by the base plate. This is most important to prevent any movement of the jig. And we need a hinge, total of quantity of 2, and front support top plate. And here is the lock mechanism that we have used, and here the drawing: lock part, mirror, lock part, lock plate, and lock pin. There's have 4 components in the lock. So, and then lastly is the top plate. The dimension size that we want is 256 mm times with 150 mm, and the thickness is 20 mm. And the last part is the screw. This is the M4 countersunk, M4 and M8 screw. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fafiti bin Jazmi, and I'm going to explain to you how to use our jigs. So firstly, this is our part product, and this is our jigs design. So to use it, firstly you need to pull the lock at the front, and then you can pull the top part to the upside, and then you can place the part product at the middle of the jigs, and then you need to close it and lock the jigs to make the part product don't move. during the drilling process at the top part. So to conclude everything in this jigs project, we learned that it's not a very easy task to design a suitable jig, because a good jig should contain several advantages such as ergonomic design, easy to use, and less cost. Our jigs actually managed to solve all the objective by using our jigs. It can reduce a lot of the setting up tool process. Besides, our jigs also can be easily to increase the production rate. Other than that, our jig contain assurance to high accuracy of the process that will be made, which is our jigs only can be used for drilling diameter of 12 mm hole, and the position for hole used have been precisely calculated to obtain the accurate position. And lastly, our jigs design offer a high interchangeability, where we use a simple lock that can open and close easily with a single action. That's all. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Haziq bin Muhammad Syamsuddin, and I will conclude about our project. So, for a jig, to design a jig, it contains several advantages such as ergonomic design, and it's easy to use, and most important is less cost. So, our jig managed to solve all of the objectives here. And then, by using our jig, it can reduce a lot of settling up tools process. Also, it is easily used to increase the production, like it suitable for a mass production product. Other than that, our jig contain assurance toward a high accuracy of a process that will be made, which is drilling the diameter of 12 mm holes. And then position for the holes is precisely calculated to obtain accurate position. And lastly, our jig design offer high interchangeability, where we use a simple lock so that we can open and close at the top part of the jig with a single action by pulling the lock plate. So that's all for our product. Thank you.
Yeah.